Find the box labeled Receipt Printer. Unpack your receipt printer, the power supply, the cable plate, and all the cables from the box, as well as the receipt paper roll. Press the button on the right side of the printer to open it and remove the protective card. Place the receipt paper roll and route the paper so that it curves out of the top towards the back of the printer. Then close the top. Now, plug the circular end of the power cable into the appropriate slot on the back, right side of the printer, ensuring the prongs align properly. Plug the power cable into the power supply. Do not power on. Now, plug the smaller square end of the USB cable into the printer's USB port next to the power supply input. Then plug the other end of the cable into an available blue USB port on the AX5 I/O hub. Place the protective cable management plates on the back of the printer. Listen for the snap to know it is securely in place. The thermal receipt printer and the AX5 point of sale are now connected.